Hey guys, SmartNinja000 here. Today we are in the most recent snapshot, 18W05A, and as you can see we have a nice boss bar added. You might think, oh, well, what is that? I'm going to explain that right now. They have added a new command, /bossbar. This bar can be created. You name your ID, so we're just going to name test. Then you have your name. This is Jason, so it's exactly like Torah. And then you would do something like, color. So, and you can make this. Why don't we make this a nice blue? And then we do bold. And make. Oh, I did the quotes backwards. And we make this true. And we do this. Now, if we do /bossbar again, we can do bossbar get test players, and this will tell us has no players online. So we can do bossbar set test players. Okay. Now we have two bossbars. One that says 18W05A and the other one that says plus sub. So that is great, and you can have as many as you want. I don't think there is a limit, but I haven't actually tested that out yet. There probably is, because Minecraft likes to have limits. And you can of course change the text. So why don't we just copy, and then we can do, so Minecraft test is its name. We can do name. We paste in this, and instead of saying please sub, we will say, we'll change that to for snapshot videos. Not even spelled correctly, but it does work, so that's great. To remove it, you just do remove, and then we can remove it. So we're going to remove test, since I can't spell. That is the very big command. You'll also notice your entity selectors now pop up. So if we were going to give ourselves a diamond hoe, and of course it works the exact same way as before. With Jason. So that is really nice, and of course, I don't know what I did wrong there, but I'm very good at commands, you can tell. Definitely know what I'm doing, totally not just going and realizing I make a mistake and then updating it as I go. So there's still bugs with it, definitely bugs with it. Yeah. So they're working on it though. As for lore, I don't know if lore works. Why don't we check that right now? Lore has been an issue because it is not in JSON format yet, and everyone's, at least I am. Yeah, it's still not in JSON format. A little bit upset about that, but that will be coming out soon. Just a few other things about /bossbar. You can do /bossbar set, and then we're just going to. You can set it to visible, false, and true. You can set it to value. I don't actually know what value does. Let me check real quick. The value, you can set it to your how much health it has. Now the default is 100, the maximum value, and you can set the max value to whatever you want. So it's a really nice feature. You can even store value into your boss bar. So my health now correlates to the boss bar. Guys, I am a boss now. I am a boss. Here's the command, real quick. Execute store result boss bar. This is the new thing you can do. The name, value, or maximum value. Value is of course how much health the boss has. So run data get entity AP health. That will tell it. You can do this with every entity you can make. I actually did a video back a little while ago how to do it without the boss bar, because the boss bar obviously hadn't come out. So I might make an updated tutorial on that, because although I just sort of did. Oh well, there goes the video. Bug fixes. You cannot place flint and steel and fire charges in invalid places. You can place them in correct places though. Works like a charm. Riding a pig or horse with a cape causes it to not behave as expected. I don't have a cape. JSON parsing exceptions thrown during passing of pack.mc meta of data and resource pack are not caught properly. It means you can't use JSON. They're not working correctly. Tab completing with advancement any key with trailing space errors. So tab completing with teams or scoreboard did not tab complete player names, but now they do, so that's good. And then there's a couple other ones like trigger objectives are enabled by default. Missing command feedback for successfully trigger setting idle time suggests it's seconds, but it's in minutes. So those, I don't want to show those off, but they are there. And of course the changelog will be in the description as always. One other thing to mention real quick, you can do bossbar set the name. We have all these style. We have these styles, which you can see. The more notched it is, the more like detailed, I guess. Color. All your colors. These are the only colors you get. That is the color of it. There's lots of different customizing things you can do with these. This isn't actually the name, which you might have thought it was. And then you can do visible, which makes it turn off and on, so you can make it disappear. That is, I guess, wow. That's bossbar. That is pretty much it for this snapshot. Dinnerbone said we're not going to be getting the new aquatic update features for a little bit. But we should definitely expect them coming out pretty soon. We just have to wait for all the technical stuff to come out. I'm really glad they added this bossbar command. It makes stuff a lot easier. We still have a couple bugs with JSON, but it does make sense since we are switching everything over from color codes to JSON format, which is TORAW format, of course. That's pretty much it for the snapshot video. If you found it helpful, then definitely leave a like. Subscribe to the channel for more snapshot videos. I try to do them as soon as possible, so that way I get more views on them if they're out the first. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, okay, bye.